What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today we're going to put to the test more burger gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. For the first burger gadget, this is a burger press, but a little bit different than normal ones. As you can see, it's spring loaded, boom. And also there's a measuring piece how thick your burger is going to be. So all you have to do is just put meat into here like a ball, and then whenever you press it, look at that, 3/4 of the burger. If you think it's too thick, all you have to do is lift it up and maybe take some of it out, make a ball again. Let's try to make it a little bit thinner. That's a little bit too thick for my likings. Okay, 3/4. You see, I love this gadget because it makes this perfect pieces and with the little holes. You know what, I'm gonna try to make it even thinner so that way it cooks a little faster. So just put a ball of meat, then squish it like that. There you go. This is 3/8. Honestly, 3/8 was a bit too small. Okay, let's see what happens. One more time. Spreads it really well. This is a bit more than 3/8, and look at that, holds up pretty good. So you know what, this is a really awesome way to do it. Just put a ball of meat, squish it. Oops, too much. So it works pretty good. Grab a ball of meat, put it in the middle, squish it, evenly squish slowly. Oh, you know what? It's for some reason getting stuck now. And let's see what happens when we take it off. For some reason I'm getting stuck. You can obviously marinate your own burger your own way, depends what you like. I'm not gonna be telling you what's the best way and what you like better, so you decide how you marinate it. But you know what, it's starting to stick on me. This little burger press, a little bit disappointing. Close it, open it. Okay, second time didn't stick. But that's a little bit of a minus that it sticks to this piece. You see, there's pieces get stuck between this little press. Anyways, hopefully the next gadget will not stick. For the next gadget I have burger grill rack. Let's see if it's going to hold it really well. Wow, look at that. That way I don't have to worry about them falling apart. Also close it. And don't forget to tie this all the way down so that way it doesn't fall off. Looks like as long as you hold it down like this, it's not gonna fall apart on you. As long as you push it down, you see it might slide out. So make sure you hold it down this way. That way nothing will fall off, and the burger is easy to flip and cook all at the same time. Just make sure this piece does not fall off. For the next burger gadget, I got here burger grill and a press. This is even better than I thought. You can stuff it with cheese or whatever. You put it like that, then you squish it this way also you can do. Then stuff it and then you cover it up like that. Let's demonstrate. You grab a decent size of meat and then squish it down like that. Maybe you can even push it down on this side a little bit, whatever. Then take it out. Whoa, look at that. That turned out super good. We can put some cheese in there. Cheese going to melt, so you can really put a lot of cheese in there. Even on the picture, they don't say you should do shredded cheese. So I'm gonna do slice and a half. Really get it really thick of cheese, so when we cut it, it's gonna melt out with cheese. Cover it up with meat and it should spread all the way. That looks good. Wow, that's a way better gadget. I have a feeling it's gonna work out really well. Maybe over here a little bit. Okay, let's see what happens when I squish it down. Oh, like that. This is the comfortable way to do it now. Boom. And now to flip it out of there, just push it out. Take the top out. Wow, this is a thick burger. But you know, it's gonna cook a bunch, so hopefully it won't be as bad. Also, you're supposed to cook this inside of a grill, or grill rack, so that way it does not fall apart. I'm just gonna put one of them in here. And as you can see, it is perfect fit. I have another burger parasite here. Let's see how this one works. This one is all metal, kind of like it better than it's plastic. So grab a little bit of meat, stick it in, and just press it. It should be done. Very nice. And then, wow, that was easy. I like it. Let's do another one. Put a little bit of meat, squish it down. Fast and easy. Simple gadget, but works really well, as you can see. Wow, I didn't expect the simple works really well. And I'm gonna put them in this rack. Whoops, flip it over. And it perfect fit into this rack. Boom. I like it. Now it's ready to eat burgers. Will this burger press be any better? Let's find out. This is also a metal one. We're going into the high quality burger presses. So you can preset the thickness by spinning this piece right here, and it really gets as thick as you want. That's kind of cool. Or you can make it much thinner. Gonna take a little piece of meat. Let's see how well it's going to do. Take the extra out. Take this out. Now what? Oh wow, beautiful. Okay, one more piece right here. See what happened. Press it. Open it. Beautiful. You know what? This works pretty good. And I have here 2 pieces of burgers. I like it. High quality, easily adjustable. Never going to break, that's for sure. Hopefully it doesn't rust out though. And I have here, guess what, another burger press gadgets. There you go. Just spin it and take it out. This is actually pretty cool. You can reset it, readjust it, what size you want to do it. So you can get it a really thick one, you can do it much smaller one, and you can get it all the way down, but that means it's closed. Get a little bit of meat on a cutting board, press it, lift it. You know what, not enough meat. Let's try this again. Press it. I guess there's some extra meat will come out. You know what, now how do I take it out? It's a good idea, but it's kind of annoying to take it out. It gets stuck in there. I'll probably stay away from this gadget, that's for sure. And one more burger press. Let me know in comments below so far which one is your favorite. This looks like a very simple one, but very unique design, that's for sure. Grab a piece of meat, put it in, or lay it down there, and then squeeze it. Wow, this is actually satisfying. You keep squishing it till you don't see any holes. This is actually very unique. Then you take it out, boom. A little bit sideways, but that will do. Another piece of meat. Press it, look at that. Wow, that's definitely very unique. I love it. If you feel like you wanted to do skinnier ones, just take out some of the meat, close it. Look how well it fills up. Love it. I put some powder so that way don't get stuck as much. Nice. Beautiful. Next, this is just a garlic powder. I love garlic. Take it out. Pretty good, I'd say. Sometimes it gets stuck way too easily. But overall, I love that you can see through how this gadget works. So, thumbs up for me. And for the last one, of course, you got put to the toast this silicone burger maker. So you stuff this one with the little bit pieces of meat down here. Okay, then we just need to put this cover on top of it. And we just squish every single piece. You can even stick this in the refrigerator. Now you're ready to go with your mini burgers right here. And you just squish each circle, so that way you have really nice ones. And then you flip it over and take this piece off. They're supposed to come out, so sometimes you can just help it. Boom. And now you have here very nice little burgers with a tray. Let me take them all out. Check this out. Love it. Now you can stick the burgers in. And the little one, as you can see, they stay together really well. And this stuff is very nice as well. Whoops. You see what I'm saying? This holder is not as good as the other one. So I gotta watch out not to flip everything. This one holds up a bit better. Flip it over, don't have to do one at a time. Super nice. But I like that this side here much longer. But be careful, do not touch it, it'll get hot. So just hold it down and then flip it. Okay, look how easy it is to flip this one over. Nice. This one will be a bit harder. Yep, like I said, it's gonna be really hot. Bun on it and whatever else you want on your burger. But what I'm interested about, let's see what the cheese looks like on the inside. Oh yeah, that's definitely plenty of cheese. Looks nice. Look at that. Beautiful. This is what I was saying. You gotta put a lot of cheese into the burger because it will melt. Nice. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.